Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Lusha to enrich contacts and trigger CRM follow-up step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Lusha website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, sign up for a free trial to get started. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard interface. Locate the Settings section, often represented by a gear icon. In Settings, select the Integrations tab. Look for your preferred CRM platform from the list of available integrations. Click on the Integration option to reveal setup instructions. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize Lusha to connect to your CRM. After authorization, return to the main dashboard. Next, select the contacts you wish to enrich with additional information. Use the search bar to find contacts quickly or browse through your list. Once you've identified the contacts, click on the Enrichment button. Lusha will process your request and return enriched contact data. Review the enriched data for accuracy and completeness. If everything looks good, proceed to update your CRM with the new information. To set up automated follow-ups, navigate to the Automations section in Lusha. Create a new automation rule based on the enriched contacts. Define the conditions for triggering follow-ups in your CRM. Save your automation settings to ensure they are active. Finally, monitor the performance of your CRM follow-ups for effectiveness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.